Okay, good morning to all of the students. We are on the second chapter, you know very well. So we discussed last time as an electronic configurations. Science 1 second chapter we are discussing. Now periods and electronic configurations. In a modern periodic table we have seen K, L, M, N, you see S, P, D, F. 2.7 tables. Now according to 2.7 you will observe first S block, P block, D block and F block. So we will see there are 7 periods. So how you will mention the electronic configurations, that we will see here in this chapter. In these topics, periods and electronic configuration. There are 7 periods. The 7 periods we will divide according to electronic configuration. Now just look. There are 18 groups are there. First hydrogen is 1 and 18 is helium is 18. But in the case of helium that is 2 we are telling as a duplet. 2 we are telling as a duplet. So we have to complete the valence electron. Valence electron either into duplet or in a octet. Only helium is a 2 as a duplet. Remaining all will come as an octet. We have to complete in a octet place. So there are 4 things K, L, M, N shell are there in the electronic configurations. How new period and new cells are there? So first we will look here K, L, M, N electronic capacity of electronic cell 2.9 table in a page number 24. So first K, N is a 1, that is 2n square. Formula is there, electron capacity is 2. The first cell electron capacity is 2. Now L is 2, that is 2n square, that is 2 into 2 square is 8. Third is an M, 2 into 3 square is 18, and fourth is an N, that is 4, 2 into 4 square, that is 16 to the 32. So like this way we have to mention as a K, L, M, N group. Like this way we have to mention as a K, L, M, N group. Now first look, hydrogen is only 1. So only one circle will come as an H you will mention. So simple an example, you will look lithium is 3. Lithium is 3. So according to electron capacity, first 2 will come. Lithium capacity is 3. So first 2 will come. Now only 1 will remain, that is 2 and 1. Now in the second, look, 4 is there, barium is 4. I told you first 2 will come. And then again in a 4 case 2 is remaining, that is 2, 2. But boron, that is 5. First 2 will there and then remaining 3 will be there. Because second cell contain 8 electrons. In the second, 8 electron will be there. Carbon, that is 6, 2 and 4. Nitrogen, that is 2, 5, that is 7. Oxygen, that is 8, 2, 6. Fluorine, that is 2 and 7. And neon you will observe, that is 10. That is first 2 and then 8 will be there. 8 is an octet. 8 is an octet. In the third look period, that is sodium. According sodium, that is 11 is there. The first 2 will come, then 8 will come, that is 2 and 8, 10. Now according to 11 only 1 is remaining. That's why they written as a 1 there. They written as a 1. But in the case of magnesium you will observe, that is 12 is there. The first 2, then 8, again 2 is remaining. Aluminium, that is 2, 8, 3. First 2, then 8, that is 10. But aluminium is 13, so 3 will remain. Like this way, silicon is there, that is 14. 2, 8, first 2 will be there according to K cell. Then L, that is an 8. Then M is an 18. But 14 is there in a silicon, so 4 is only coming. That's why they written 2, 8, 4. If you will observe last one, argon. Argon is 18. But according to our rule, first K will take as a 2, then L will take as an 8, then M will take as an 18. But in the case of argon, you will see that is an 18. The first 2 will be there, then 8 will be there, again 8 is remaining. So it will come like a 2, 8, 8. So you will observe argon. Look how they make a circle. First argon they written in the center, then first 2 is coming, 2 electron, then in the case of the L, that is 8. In the case of the M, again there is a 8. So like this way, as an argon 18 is coming. We know that the neon gas, noble gases is always complete electron configuration. But in the case of the 4, potassium, you will observe how much, that is 19 is there. In the case of potassium it is 19. The first 2 will there, then they return 8. Now according to 19, that is 9 is remaining. But we know that is M contain 18. तुम लोग सोचोगे m के अंदर 18 आता तो मैं डायरेक्ट 9 लिख सकता हूँ, बट 9 नहीं लिखना है मुझे, फर्स्ट मुझे 8 लिखना है, फिर 1 लिखना है। जब 18 पूरा रहेगा तभी मैं 18 लिख सकता हूँ उसमें, लाइक दिस वे 2 8 18। एज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दी दिस वन, look the period and electronic configuration, that is rubidium. rubidium is 37, rubidium में 37 आता है, ऊपर देखो तो पहले 2 है, फिर 8 है, देन डायरेक्टली विल कम एज ए ना 18, तो वो 28 पहुंचता है। 28 अब कितना बचा उसमें, लास्ट में देखा जाए तो 9 बच रहा है, तो 9 के लिए फर्स्ट में 8 लूँगा, फिर बाद में 1 लूँगा, तो लाइक दिस वे 2 8 18 8 एंड 1, 2 8 18 एंड 1, 2 8 18 8 and 1. So you will observe that lot of the thing they mention according to potassium, they given first 2, then they given in the K cell, L cell, that is 8, then M cell again 8, and then in the last 1 is there. So there are second period, 2 period they given lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, boron, that I mentioned in the second. Then in the third case, nitrogen, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, all this in a third one. In the case of the fourth, you will observe potassium, calcium, like they mention from left to right, you will observe it is in a increasing order. Left से right तुम लोग जाओगे ना तो इस पे increasing order में आएगा। तो just we will see as a recall, what are the value of the N for the K cell, L cell, M cell। अब N की वैल्यू K की बोलते हैं ना, N के हिसाब से K की वैल्यू कितनी रहेगी, तो K देखा जाए तो मेरा फर्स्ट 1 है N के लिए, L मेरा 2, देन M इज इन 3। नाउ वी विल ऑब्जर्व हाउ मच मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट अकोमोडेट इन अ सेल, मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम हाउ मच इलेक्ट्रॉन इज देयर, यू विल ऑब्जर्व इन इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी इन द टेबल 2.9 के टेबल में ऑब्जर्व करो, फर्स्ट 2 आ सकता है, देन 8 इज कमिंग, 18 इज कमिंग, 32, KLMN के बाद भी रहता है, बट अपनी स्टडी में फर्दर इतना ही है, पहले तो इतना ही है। तो now how much capacity of electronic cells can be hold? So first in the K 2 is there, then L that is 8, then M that is 18 and N that is 32. The filling of the electron is subsequent period which will be considered in the next standard। जो किस तरह से फिलअप करते हैं हम लोग इलेक्ट्रॉन को subsequent period में SPDF का, अभी सिर्फ तुम्हारे को बताना, only they mention a name of SPDF in a group, but how you can fill in the 11th standard they told। Only we are looking only the how much K, L, M and we are filling in a 2, 8, 8 and like 18 this way, 2, 8, 18 something part, 32 is also coming. Now periodic tens, how much periodic tens is there, that we will see, periodic ten in the modern periodic table। So according to modern periodic table, there are table are compared, we are comparing the table, there are regularities in the variation, so this we are telling as in a periodic trends in the modern periodic tables। जो एलिमेंट तुम लोग ऑब्जर्व करोगे पीरियड और ग्रुप के अंदर मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल्स का, तो एक तरह की सर्टन रेगुलरिटी है, मीन्स यू विल ऑब्जर्व मेटल टू नॉन मेटल, नॉट मेटालॉइड, ऑल दिस थिंग्स। तो देर आर वी कैन से पीरियोडिक ट्रेंड्स आर देयर। तो दिस पीरियोडिक ट्रेंड्स वी आर टेलिंग एज एन नेमली अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टैंडर्ड, वी विल सी वैलेंसी, एटॉमिक साइज, मेटेलिक, नॉन मेटेलिक कैरेक्टर। वैलेंसी इज वॉट, एज आई मैंशन यू विल ऑब्जर्व ईयर 2 8 1, तो जो लास्ट का 1 है तो तुम्हारी 1 वैलेंसी आ जाती है। मैग्नीशियम 2 8 2, लास्ट में 2 है तो वैलेंसी 2 है। इन द केस ऑफ फॉस्फोरस यू विल ऑब्जर्व 15 है फॉस्फोरस का, दैट इज 2 8 5, 2 8 5, लास्ट में क्या बच रहा है, 5 बच रहा है, बट 5 विल नॉट बी अ वैलेंसी, वी हैव टू कंप्लीट आइदर 2 और आइदर 8। तो 5 को 8 कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना लगेगा, ओनली 3 विल रिक्वायर, द 3 विल बी द वैलेंसी इन दिस केस। In the case of sulfur, you will observe 2 8 6. In the 6, how much 8 will be there? For completing 8, we required only 2. So 2 will be the valency. So the outermost cell will tell how much valency will be there. If it is 1 2 3 will be there, then that much of the valency will be there. But if it is more than 4, that is 5 6 7. If it is 5 6 7, so in the case of 5 3 will be valency. In the case of 6 2 will be valency. In the case of 7 1 will be the valency। So they mention according to valency, atomic size will be what, according to K element, metallic and non-metallic। So first valence I explain you, the outermost cell will tell according to the valency। जो outermost cell रहेगा वो बताएगा तुम्हारी valency क्या है, जैसे कि 2 8 1, तो 1 मेरी valency है। और इसमें हम लोग ने देखा You have seen aluminium 283, 3 will be valency, but in the case of chlorine 287, तो 7 को 8 करना है, तो that 1 will be the valency in the case of chlorine. So think about it, what is the relation between electronic configuration and its valency? What is the electronic configuration and valency? Valency you will observe, I told you that is 281, so 1 will be the valency and electronic configuration we distributed. Electronic configuration कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? KLMN के थ्रू करते हैं. जैसे कि सोडियम में 11 था तो पहले 2 लिखे, then 8, then 1. तो like this will be written as a 281, 2882. This all thing is an electronic configuration. जो outermost cell, whatever the outermost cell that we are telling as a valency. Now the atomic size of the beryllium is what they are telling 4, while that of oxygen is 8. जो बेरिलियम का तुम लोग ऑब्जर्व करोगे, दे रिटन एज एन BE, दे गिवन 4, तो आई रिटन 2 into 2, ऑक्सीजन 2 and 6. तो व्हेन वी आर कंबाइनिंग BE and O, दैट इज बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड. बट यर वैलेंसी द मेन थिंग. बेरिलियम की वैलेंसी आउटर मोस्ट सेल में कितना बच रहा है? मेरा 2 बच रहा है. बट इन द केस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट इज 8, दैट इज 2 and 6. 6 को 8 करना है, तो दैट 2 विल रिमेनिंग एज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वैलेंसी, वो वैलेंसी रहेगा. तो लाइक वी हैव टू राइट द टेबल ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज. हियर यू विल ऑब्जर्व द टेबल दे गिवन ऑन द 25 पेज. यू हैव टू फिल 1 to 20 एलिमेंट. फर्स्ट 20 एलिमेंट वी हैव टू राइट द सिंबल ऑल्सो एंड वैलेंसी इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड वी हैव टू फिल इट. एंड व्हाट इज द पीरियोडिक ट्रेन इन द वेरिएंस? बोलते ना पीरियोडिक ट्रेन क्या रहेगा? लेफ्ट टू राइट में पीरियड 2 एंड पीरियड 3 दैट दे गिवन. एंड इन द केस ऑफ ग्रुप 1, ग्रुप 2 एंड ग्रुप 18 we have to reference how the valency is increasing. But in the 18 group, that is noble gases, they are always in the proper order. Now look, as in a potassium they given 19. How they written? First 2 according to K, then 8 according to L, then M, it is 19. But now in the case of potassium 2, 8, 10 तो हो गया, अब 9 बच रहा है. तो थर्ड रूल अपना क्या आता है? पहले 8 होने चाहिए तो 18 होने चाहिए. आइदर यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द 8 और 18, बट 9 तो मेरा 18 नहीं कर सकता है, तो आई हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट 8 एंड देन आई हैव टू राइट एज एन 1. लाइक दिस वे आई हैव टू कंप्लीट इट एज एन. तो नाउ 1 विल बी द वैलेंसी. ये केस में 1 मेरा क्या होगा? वैलेंसी हो जाएगा. तो ये एटॉमिक साइज दे आर टेलिंग इन द प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड वी हैव सीन. वॉल्यूम इज द मैटर ऑफ द property of matter, what kind of the matter is there, solid, liquid, gas, and the size of the atom is depending on the radius. Now radius it will be as a KLMN something part. Now atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost cell. What is the nucleus of the atom? They are telling distance between जो nucleus of the atom है और जो outermost cell है उसके through depend करता है. Now atomic radius is what? 1 picometer. They are telling us in a 10⁻12 meter. This we are telling as an atomic radius. Unit is what? Picometer. जैसे कि मास का kg रहता है, लेंथ का मीटर रहता है, सेंटीमीटर, लाइक दिस वे. तो इन द केस ऑफ दिस स्टैंडर्ड वी कैन से वॉट एवर द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वी आर सीइंग, वॉट एवर द एलिमेंट, तो एलिमेंट का जो एटॉमिक रेडियस होता है, वॉट एवर द एलिमेंट एटॉमिक रेडियस वी आर टेलिंग एज एन पिकोमीटर. देन कमिंग एज एन नैनोमीटर. Nanometer is very small compared to picometer. Some of the element and atomic radius they given. Now look, oxygen atomic radius is 66, boron it is 88, carbon 77, nitrogen 74, beryllium 111 and lithium 152. All these things we are telling, we will consider in the next topic.